parlantes.
Mm.
No estás escuchando, ¿cierto?
No.
Porque te está escuchando de parlante todo.
Ah, ok.
Está en el Bluetooth de acá.
Ok.
Hola, hola, hola.
Bueno, Mayerly, entonces, bueno, ya que nos estamos comunicando bien, la comunicación está bien, pues estuve revisando de lo que se trata el examen. Quería hacerte hoy como una tutoría básicamente de la parte de oral, o sea, revisar de qué se trata el examen en cuanto a la parte oral. Quiero antes que nada saber cómo quieres tú las tutorías, si quieres las tutorías totalmente en inglés, si las quieres mitad y mitad en español, en inglés, si combinamos, mejor dicho, quiero que tú me indiques cómo te sientes mejor y cómo quieres que llevemos a cabo entonces esas tutorías, cómo te sientes más cómoda. Lo pregunto porque muchas veces, pues, cuando uno recurre a clases, digamos que extras, es porque de pronto tiene dificultad en la clase como tal, en la clase presencial en la universidad y no está entendiendo, tal vez no le entienden los profesores porque hablan todo el tiempo en inglés. Entonces, pues tú me dirás, si no hay problema, yo hago toda la clase en inglés. eh, o recurrimos al español de vez en cuando, como tú quieras, como tú la quieras hacer. Entonces, indícame eso primero que todo y pasamos a mirar entonces de qué se trata, aunque yo creo que ya tú sabes de qué se trata el examen oral. Listo, vale. Entonces, empecemos a revisar. Bueno, ya me estás diciendo acá que lo hagamos combinado. Te voy a mostrar, te voy a empezar a hablar en inglés. Tú me dices con el chat, así como lo estás haciendo, con el chat me dices si me estás entendiendo, o me dices si debo parar o me vas indicando a través del chat, ¿listo? Para que no tengamos que interrumpir mucho la clase a través de la videoconferencia. Okay, so we are going to watch a video. I have a video here. This is a video about the speaking part of the aptis exam. This is the exam you have to present for your graduation, I think. So I'm going to show you a video.
If you were to...
Please let me know if you see. You have to see my my desk. Okay, you have to see my screen. So let me share this.
If you were taking the Aptis speaking test, this is what you can expect. The speaking test is one of 5 components available within the Aptis test system. Aptis is a modern and flexible... If you were taking the Aptis speaking test, this is what you can expect. If you are taking the Aptis speaking test,
Okay, Mayerly, do you see my screen? Do you see my computer in your computer? Can you see? I'm going to show you a video, okay? So I need to know if you see what is in my computer. Yes? Right?
if you are taking the Aptis speaking test, this is what you can expect. The speaking test is one of 5 components available within the Aptis test system. Aptis is a modern and flexible English test that can be used to assess language ability in all 4 English skills and knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. The Aptis speaking test will take around 12 minutes and will be divided into 4 sections. Your responses will be recorded and marked by an examiner. Section 1 involves 3 questions on personal topics. You will be requested to talk for 30 seconds per question. Section 2 requires you to describe a photograph, then answer some questions about what you have seen. The questions could increase in difficulty, for example, ranging from a description to an opinion. You will be requested to talk for 45 seconds per question. Section 3 asks you to compare 2 pictures, then answer 2 questions. The final question is likely to involve imaginary situations or speculation. Again, you'll be asked to talk for 45 seconds for each question. In Section 4, you will be asked 3 questions on a single topic and given 1 minute to prepare your response. You can make brief notes and use these to help structure your answer. You will be expected to talk for 2 minutes. To prepare effectively for the Aptis speaking test, try these tips and resources. Make sure you understand the question and respond appropriately and fully. Try to explain or expand your answers. Use your preparation time in Section 4 efficiently. Keep your notes short and simple, and think about how to structure your ideas. Practice speaking as much as you can. Do not worry too much about mistakes. Instead, focus on whether your message was successfully communicated. Record yourself speaking and try to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation and reduce hesitations. Aptis, forward-thinking English testing. For more information, check our website.
Okay. So Mayerly, we have, do you know how many parts does the oral exam have? According to the video, how many parts do the exam have? Does the exam have? Can you answer that? Can you tell me how many parts does the oral exam have? Do you know? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Okay, Majel, yes, the exam has 4 parts. The oral exam has 4 parts. Each part is different. Do you know what do you have to do in the first part of the exam, of the oral exam? Do you know, okay, the exam has 4 different parts. The oral exam, the speaking exam. Yes, we're talking about the speaking exam. The exam has 4 parts, 4 different parts. The first part is about what? What do you have to do in the first part of the oral exam? Do you know? Did you understand? Okay, so you are going to watch the video again, okay? And I want you to, in your house, I want you to